Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP, Euro British Pound. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And if you'd like to check out the analysis of other currency pairs, then you can check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro GBP, and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame, the most popular time frame in the Forex community, Forex world, and my personal favorite. So let's do the analysis first. So if we just look at the chart, then we can easily see that there is no proper trend in the market. Okay, whenever market is going up, it is facing resistance, coming down to the support level, again going up. Okay, so things are not very beautiful here. Okay, and on a to be very honest, I'm also not trading on Euro GBP for quite some time, for a couple of weeks. I'm just avoiding because see, when I'm having other beautiful options, then why should I trade on a chart like this? My personal opinion. Okay. So if we just look at the chart, then we can see that okay, right now market is caught in a particular range. Okay, we have got this level on the upside as the resistance. Okay. It's 0.8717. Okay, we have got this level on the upside as the extreme resistance. Okay, and on the downside we have got this level as the support, 0.8560. okay, we have got this level as the support on the downside. Okay, but right now we can see that since last month, market is unable to go market is unable to go up. Okay, and market is caught in this particular range. Previously this was the resistance for the market. Okay, but right now there is not much buying pressure that market could not go up. Okay, so this level is kinda okay, kinda, I'll say that ghost zone for the market. Okay, market is unable to go up to that particular level because right now market is caught in this particular range here. Okay, so right now this range is important to us because if market crosses this level, then only we will go and focus how we should trade and where we should trade. Okay, and right now we can see that right now market is trading here, so this level is not required for us. So I won't be discussing about the bigger resistance. Okay, right now we just need to focus on this particular level only. Okay, so right now, okay, the two important levels for us here are 0.8645 on the downside and 0.8560 on the downside and 0.8645 on the upside. Okay, this is the resistance for us now and this is the support for us right now. So generally in a range bound market, okay, we get opportunities on the upside also and on the downside also. Okay, whenever market goes up and hit the resistance level, then our duty is to observe the market. Okay, so in case market goes up after the market opening on Monday, if market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here, then just observe the price level at this particular resistance. If you see the price is struggling, price does not have the energy to cross the resistance, and if you see that price is also getting rejected from above, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this level is still a valid one. This level is very crucial for the market and market won't be able to cross this resistance. Once you see that price is getting rejected from above, if market starts forming a hammer kind of a pattern, sorry, shooting star kind of a pattern, or if you see a red candle like this, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, market is about to reverse and you can short the market here at this price level. Okay, on the downside, or if you see, okay, if you see that after the market opening, if market starts coming down, okay, and takes support here, 0.8560 level, then just observe the price. If you see that price is about to bounce back from here or price is about to reverse, okay, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this level is still a valid support for the market. and you can go for a buy order, because see, market is in the range right now, market is in sideways, therefore you will get opportunities to short the market at the resistance and you'll get to buy at the support level. And right now market is caught in a range, okay, and this thing is happening because see, there may be some fundamental facts, but I would like to show you this. Okay, this is the current currency strength meter. Let me take you to the weekly one. And this is the weekly strength meter, sorry, monthly strength meter. You can see that this is the monthly strength meter, and you can see that euro was positive for the last month and GBP was also positive for the last month. Generally when we get two currency pairs on the both upside, okay, then we get a sideways market like this. If a currency pair is positive and one pair is negative, okay, then we will get a trending market. For example, if euro is positive and GBP is negative, then you'll see that euro GBP is going up. But right now we are seeing that for the last month euro is also positive and GBP is also positive. Therefore market is in a range right now, and whenever you'll get a scenario like this where both the currency pairs are positive and of the equal strength almost, then you'll always get a sideways market like this. And this is one of the reason, okay, euro GBP is caught in a range right now. Okay, so wait for the market opening on Monday and see how the price reacts and how the price does. Okay, in case market comes down and takes support at this price level, you'll get a buying opportunity. But remember, confirmation is important. Whenever market will bounce, then only you should go for buy order, and you'll get a shorting opportunity at the resistance level if market reverses from this level. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday.